In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Miro board. By the end, you'll feel confident opening a board, navigating the core tools, and adding content in a clean, organized way. Start by opening a board, log into Miro, and from your dashboard, either select an existing board or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, give your board a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to locate later. Once it opens, you'll see a large, infinite canvas. Think of it as your digital whiteboard where ideas can grow without limits. Next, let's get familiar with the toolbar. The Select or Move tool is your everyday cursor. Click any object to select it, drag to move it, and resize using the corner handles. You can drag a selection box around multiple items to move them together. For quick navigation, zoom with your mouse scroll or trackpad pinch, and pan by holding the spacebar while dragging. The pen or draw tool is great for quick sketches and annotations. Choose a color and line thickness, then freehand a diagram, underline important text, or circle items to call attention to them. Don't worry about perfection. Miro smooths lines enough to keep things readable. Use the text tool to add titles, labels, and notes. Click anywhere to drop a text box, adjust the font size, and choose a style that matches your content. If you prefer fast brainstorming, add sticky notes from the same area, type your idea, and change the color to categorize thoughts. Keep text concise and consistent to maintain visual clarity. Shapes and connectors help you turn ideas into structure. Drag in rectangles, circles, or other shapes, then use arrows to connect them into flowcharts, diagrams, or mind maps. Connectors snap to shapes automatically and stay attached as you rearrange, making edits easy. Double-click a connector to add labels like yes or no where needed. Frames let you organize sections of your board like slides. Create frames to group related content, such as research, ideas, and final designs. Then name each frame so you can navigate quickly. Frames also make presenting smoother, as you can move from one frame to the next in sequence. Comments are your collaboration hub. Click anywhere to leave feedback, ask questions, or suggest changes. Tag teammates with the @ symbol to notify them, and resolve comments when issues are addressed to keep the board tidy. Finally, add content. Drag and drop images or files, paste screenshots, and place items where they belong. Align objects using the smart guides, group related elements, and duplicate items to speed up layout. Miro auto-saves your work so you can focus on building. That's it. You're ready to work fluidly on a Miro board and collaborate with confidence.